Hi, I'm Justin, Project Manager in the Athens office for America's Home Place. You will hear some background noise today. We are on an active construction site. We have framers behind us. Do apologize for any noise. So here at America's Home Place, we employ local contractors, such as today. I'm on site, spending most of my day with the new crew out here, making sure that they understand our standards, what we're looking for, and making sure that we carry that out for our customers. So on site today, we're framing. In order to get to this stage, first, of course, there's the footings. Once the footings are in the ground, we'll do a block takeoff so we can determine the number of courses and additional block needed to get to the house to be one elevation all the way around. This house took 8 courses to complete on the low side of the house. Once all that's laid up and ready to go, we will then have them backfill the house and get it prepped so that the site's ready for the contractors to deliver out the supplies, get them on site, make sure it's a safe, clean working environment. One thing we pride ourselves on at America's Home Place is a clean, safe work site. Once the framers have started, they start first with a green board for the floor system, then they'll move on to the floor joists, and you can see behind me the girders. Once the house is fully framed, the last part of that process is getting the deck on the roof. Also going into mechanicals, depending on if there's any framing inspections prior to, or they can just go right into their mechanical phase to have the electricians come in, the plumbers, and the HVAC. If you want to hear more information, please visit our website at americashomeplace.com, and please don't forget to like and subscribe.